Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick unboxing video for this leather upholstered storage bed that I'm about to put together. So if you are shopping this particular bed, this video should give you a much better or much clearer understanding as to what to expect when you take everything out of the box. It does ship in this very, very large box. It is quite heavy, so one large adult can probably slide it, but it's probably best to have at least two people moving it into the area where you're gonna get it put together. So over here you have the leather headboard. You can see it has diamond tufting and the stitching is in a diamond design. Up here is the cord where you're gonna plug it in for the LED lights. And the LED strips are behind sort of this notched out area right there. But it does look like it's pretty good quality. The diamonds don't seem loose. And in here you have the footboard. You can also see it has diamond tufting and diamond stitched design. Really, really nice looking, pretty good quality. So far, so good. Now these two pieces right here are the headboard feet. So these two are gonna attach to the left side and the right side of the headboard. And these two pieces right here are the wing backs. You can see the gold accents going down the front here. So if you are into a glam style wingback design, this bed can definitely be for you. Now these four pieces right here are the drawer fronts. It has the leather upholstery, and on the inside you can see holes which are going to be for the bolts that are going to be attaching to the base of the drawers. So there are four metal bases. I kind of have them staggered. 1, 2, 3, 4, and they do come sort of pre-installed. So these are the sides. Sometimes they come detached and you have to install them yourself, but these ones, well, this particular design has them already attached, which is also a major plus because that's just less steps during the assembly. I do like that these are metal because that means that they're not going to break, or you should be able to kind of withstand some wear and tear. Now over here we have all the metal pieces that make up the frame. Now here we have all the metal pieces that are going to make up the frame, and so some of them look very, very similar and some of them are a little bit longer. So just kind of have them organized in a way with the part numbers facing up. That way you identify the correct parts. These 6 pieces right here, 2, 4, 6, are all the frame support. So again, this is going to build out the frame of the bed, and these are going to essentially be the supports or the feet for the frame. And then to my left here you can see the solid wood slats, which are pretty sturdy here. They come plastic tied there so that they're not shifting or breaking during shipment. And then this bag right here are the plastic end caps, which are going to go on the ends of the solid wood slats. Now these two pieces right here are the feet of the footboard. So they're going to screw into the bottom of the footboard right there. Here's a remote control for the LED lights, and it also comes with an instruction manual here and here. Then here is the instruction manual to get the bed put together. And on the inside of the manual, they quickly kind of give you a parts list, so you can do a quick inventory check before you get started. So they have the part number and quantities included, and they also give you the name of the part as well. And then on the next page, they have the hardware parts list, and it's quite similar. It has the part number, quantity, and part name. Now, as they get into the steps, I like that they don't jam-pack too many steps into one, so that's not really confusing. And then they also use these kind of blown up illustrations to kind of show you how to properly orient and like insert parts, for example. And they basically do that throughout the instruction manual. And again, for each step, they have the part number, the quantity, and the picture of the part that you need. And right above, you can see all of the hardware that you're going to need to assemble the bed. So this hardware right here is going to be meant for the actual bed itself, the frame. These two hardware packs came in the same bags as the wheels. So I'm assuming that these are going to be used to build out the drawers. So my assumption is that these hardware packs right here are to build out the drawers. Something to also note, this is the king size bed that I'm putting together. So if you're getting like a queen size or full size or whatever it is that they have available, what you're looking for, there'll probably be a lot less hardware. So this is a bigger bed, so there's going to be a lot more hardware. So these hardware quantities go down as the bed size go down as well. So those are all the pieces. It does look like there's quite a few pieces. Again, this is the king size. It's probably going to take me about an hour and a half, maybe a couple hours to put together. I will use an electric drill, which is definitely going to help expedite the process. And I'm going to build the drawers on an elevated work table. That way, I'm not kind of hunched over the entire time, and I can, probably save my back a little bit. But I do have my work cut out for me, so I'm going to show you guys the finished product in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this leather upholstered storage bed that I just put together. And my initial reaction after the assembly is that this thing is awesome, right? So let's quickly look at the bed, see what it entails in case you are shopping this bed. You'll have a much better idea as to what to expect once everything is fully assembled. So there are a lot of features on this bed, and obviously the most standout one is the LED lights. Right now you can see that it is on a different mode right now where it is kind of alternating, and with the remote control you can control the speed, the color, the different modes, the flickering, all that stuff. And it also has the capability of the light syncing to the beat of the music that might be playing in your room. Now this isn't the most well lit room, but you can see here on the top it has this gold trim, this metal accent going all the way down. So it's a nice strong wing back. It definitely adds some stability to the headboard. Overall, just a really nice headboard. You can also see the diamond tufting that is glistening on the headboard. You can see the clearly defined diamond stitching as well. So this thing, it looks really nice with the gold trim on the side of the wing backs, LED lights, and the diamonds that are in the headboard. And right below me you can see the frame of the bed. Now the frame or the base of the bed is constructed of both metal. You can see that this is reinforced metal going through the bed. Because this is king size, they actually have two beams going through the bed, and then it also has these solid wood slats which the mattress is going to lay on. So between the solid wood slats and all of the metal, this thing is really built to last. Now another functional feature of this bed is the storage drawers. So this one is already outward, and so if you wanted to store it back underneath the bed, all you would have to do is push it forward just like this. Now if you look a little bit closer, you can see this hole right here, and on the inside they have the screw right here. Now the way that it comes, this screw is going to be all the way in, so you actually have to screw it out, and what that's going to do is that's going to hang right inside here. So if I push this in like this, once you get all the way to the metal, all you have to do is lift and it locks in. Same thing on this side, it's already locked in, so nice and secure. But overall, this is just a really nice glam style storage bed. Now as for the assembly, it took me just between an hour and a half and a couple of hours to put everything together. Now I did build the drawers first of all because it's step number one to build the drawers, but secondly, it actually makes more sense if you are in a room that doesn't have a lot of space. You may want to build the drawers first because the bed is actually going to be a lot larger and take up more room. So what you want to do is build the smaller things like the drawers first. That way you have all the space that you need to build the bed. I also used an electric drill, which definitely helped to expedite the process, and the instruction manual was really straightforward. But overall, I really like this bed. It's got the gold metal accents on the wing backs. The headboard has the LED lights. It has the diamond tufting. It's got storage drawers, solid wood slats, a metal frame. It really is built to last. So I would highly recommend this bed to anyone looking for a storage bed. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.